can.
I don't know if I can get this on my head.
If you guys are comfortable with it, plain and we'll get underway, okay?
Sounds good.
Is that on?
Is it on, Paul?
Yep. That's nice.
All right, guys, hold on to whatever you got in your hands. Hold on. It's going to be a bumpy ride. Hi, all right. Hup. Go.
Lord.
I don't know if you guys know about these Alaskan Huskies, but they can go 150 miles a day. Makes them the most prolific draft animal on the planet by a long shot. The next best animal to travel is a Siberian Husky. He can only go 75 miles a day.
Only.
Yep. These guys are going 150 every day. But if you get down to a horse, can only go about 15 or 20 miles a day.
I don't even go a mile a day.
I ride these dog sleds about 10,000 miles every year. And most of that's not on paved highways like this one. But I'm a weird one.
You're a weird one.
I have 17 dogs and 4 boys that are 8, 6, 3, and 5 weeks old.
Aw.
So I was just saying, I like to stay busy. Good job, guys. Such a good girl, Blizzard. You need good two-row riders. Yep. Hey guys, coming up just a second, I'm going to need you to lean to the left for me.
All right.
Go ahead and work out which side that is. Alright, go ahead and lean in there and just stay right there until the lean is done. Alright, thank you. Good job. Up. We're not the ones on vacation here. Go, guys. Well, that turn starts what's almost a mile uphill for these guys. Woo. That's 9 dogs pulling 5 people. Hey guys, up, 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 up. Let's go, Carhart. Up, up, machine gun. Up, let's go, guys. Let's go. Up, up, up. Good job.
How long does it take you to train one of them to know all the commands and everything?
Well, the training is actually pretty simple because we have a functioning dog team. So when we have new dogs, we just hook them up in the team. They learn from the dogs beside of them, and it works out where we don't have to do a whole lot. Even with the leaders, you just put young dogs that are potential leaders up with experienced leaders. And then you can, I can watch these dogs here and tell, which one's doing what they should, which one's doing what they shouldn't. But the main thing we have to train them on is not chewing on their neighbor or not chewing on the equipment, stuff like that. But for the most part, they train themselves. If you didn't have a dog team, I don't know how hard it would be. It would be very difficult to train one of these from scratch. I've never tried that. Yeah, these dogs know how to pull from birth. I mean, you hook them up to a sled, they automatically pull it. If I had to start a dog team from scratch, I'd find me an old leader somewhere. They could show them the trail and work that way. But like with no dogs, I think it'd be difficult. There's a funny training story in here. 4 of these dogs are my personal dogs, including Blizzard, the one on the left up front. She's my main leader. And when I got her, she was a swing dog I've been working with on a race team for 2.5 years. I think she had a ton of potential to be a great leader, and I was just going to hook her up and let her be my leader. It didn't work that way. Every time I would hook the leader to go get on my sled, she followed me back to the sled. Lewis back here, the white one in the very back, he's another one of my dogs. He has 0 potential to be a leader. He's probably the best example of Alaskan Husky you can get. I mean, he does everything well, but he's not a leader. But that dog led me out of the yard.
Oh, God.
Eventually, I tried everybody I could. He finally just followed me to the sled, just led us out of the yard like we needed to go. Hup, hup. And once we established the direction, I put Blizzard with him. She took off like she knew what she was doing, and she's never looked back since. But Lewis back here, the non-leader, saved me when I trained my personal team. But all those dogs had experience except for the leaders. This trail is really nice today.
Yeah.
You guys could have asked for better weather. No. How would you be feeling right now if it was 40 below?
Yeah, that's
Yep.
only once of our experience that.
We made it down to 65 below last winter. This winter's been really warm.
Yeah.
I haven't even seen 40 below. I've seen a couple 30 below, but I haven't even seen 40 below. I got a nice lease in here. Watch for the cars. Good job, man.
My hand's about to freeze the fuck off.
Alright, no need to show off here. They show off, they make me show off. On by there, guys, on by. Whoa, right here, oh!
Oh, God. Yeah, let's take a selfie here, Kat.
What?
Let's take a selfie for us. Let's take a photo for us here.
Yeah.
Hey guys, if you would come to this side.
To this side? Here, take a picture.
One more, 1, 2.
Paul, you're off to the wrong side. Oh, Lord. Ugh.
On my back.
I know, every time we hit a bump, I was like, oh shit, oh shit.
If you guys want to meet the dogs really quick, we'll come all the way to the front.
This one looks like that one with the little shoes.
was eating Iceland.
I know.
The leaders up here, they're really important when we're on the trail. They're not tied to anything. If they don't listen, then everything goes bad. So these guys really have to listen good. This is Spell Spar and Ozzy. So it's a boy-girl pair, boy-girl pair. This is
sniff?
Carhart. He's Blizzard's partner on my personal team. They're my main leaders. He gets really bored with this trail. So I usually just put him back here where he can just run and have fun. He's all right, Carhart.
He's an ice eater. And get real up close and personal.
Oh.
Hello, you're so
She's
cute.
under Laura Lee.
You're so
She's another one of mine. And then, last but
Hi,
not least,
little.
Lewis and Teak. Lewis
Oh.
is from Louisiana. He's another one of mine. Hey, baby.
Oh my goodness.
pups. Well, thank you very much.
Oh, yeah, thank you, sir.
Bye.